Here in this GitHub you can download the files. We won't replace in this script the words human and free only if they have the paragraph style 1, 2 and 3. You can see here this is have the 1, here the 2 and here the 3. But in this case we won't keep the style 3 because don't contain the word human and free. And also this style have the word free and human, but they don't have the style 1, 2, 3. Then this line and this line need keep with their styles. Okay, then you can see the 1, this is the 2, this is the 3, this is a normal text. Okay, then this and this will be replaced for my style after run the script. Let me run here, and after this you can see how this have the my style, the second my style, the 3 keep same, and the 4 the same.